If you're searching for a pop-up camper to buy this year, then this video is for you. Be sure to watch till the end so that you don't miss out on the most affordable camper from the list. Rockwood A122S. In only a few minutes, the Rockwood A122S expands to become an A-frame home. At about $25,000 at retail, we believe it is well worth the money. This is a great alternative for people who like to camp all year round because of the sturdy sides. With its two-person capacity, this camper has even been dubbed the ideal choice for couples by several reviews. It has a table and a full-sized bed, among other necessities. Use the stove and microwave to prepare a satisfying dinner, then store any leftovers in the mini-fridge. When compared to other models, the A122S from Rockwood offers a lot of storage capacity. Solar panels, an outdoor shower, and a porta-potty are optional extras. Trailman 2000 720 series. For a number of reasons, the Trailman 2000 720 series is the most popular camper. First off, a standard-sized SUV, crossover, or minivan would suffice to tow this camper. A Super Duty vehicle is not necessary. Because of its lightweight design, this camper uses less gasoline and is easier to tow. The Trailman 2000 720 requires little storage space and is quick and simple to set up. This camper stands out from other versions because of its amenities. There are several floor plans available with a functional hard-wall bathroom and a fully functional kitchen. With the ease of a fold-down, this camper has all the amenities and conveniences of a travel trailer. The price starts at around $38,000. Coachman Clipper. With its aerodynamic form, the Clipper camping pop-up is simple to set up and to pull. You can choose from a variety of floor plans for these campers to fit your preferred style. More sleeping space is available in the soft-sided Coachman Clipper than in the Rockwood we mentioned earlier. This tent trailer can accommodate up to 6 people and folds out with bunks on either side of the living area. One of these can be purchased for less than $20,000. A manual crank to raise and lower the roof, a dual-drive winch, and a drill bit to use with your cordless drill are included as standard equipment. These allow you to put up your camper in under a minute. Use the 4 heavy-duty stabilizing jacks included with this pop-up with this drill bit. The unique 2-piece tension rafters from Clipper make setup simple. With its 2-burner stove and external grill hookup, the Clipper's awning is a great place to enjoy frying burgers. This camper has a furnace as standard, and adding an air conditioner will cost extra. This camper's bed system is special because it includes glide and lock cables, which eliminates the need for support poles beneath the bed. For durability, this camper has a tubular steel frame and a wide-track ultralude torsion axle. The Clipper L's 806 XLS is the ideal pop-up camper for this year if you're looking for a reasonably priced unit that can accommodate your entire family. Opus Pop-Up Camper. Opus is a stylish and innovative folding camper. It is compact and easy to tow, while also being spacious and superbly equipped for both all-road and off-road. It is rugged and versatile, while also being comfortable and fun. The standard Opus has 2 fixed double beds and an additional double bed that can be created in the seating area. The optional full awning system includes 2 extra bedroom pods and provides a large additional living area. For tough escapades, the Opus Pop-Up Camper is ideal. Up to 6 people can sleep in this trailer thanks to its 2 fixed double beds and additional double bed in the sitting area. You may make fresh meals in the fully functional kitchen of the Opus, which has a microwave oven, a 3-way fridge, a sink, and a 2-burner gas stove. This pop-up has a 12-volt water pump and can hold enough water for 4 days of travel. A 12-volt connector is also included for charging your electronics. The inflation switch and the 12-volt port make setup simple. The frame of this camper is made of aluminum for durability. The starting price is around $21,000. Flagstaff MayC 208. With its capacity to accommodate up to 8 people, the Flagstaff MayC 208 is a good option for large families. It features 2 dinettes that may be made into extra bedrooms in addition to 2 sleeping bunks that fold out toward the front and rear of the trailer. The trailer is 20 feet long when folded, yet it is just 15 feet long when packed. It weighs around 1,900 pounds, so practically any car, even the family minivan, can tow it. About $15,000 is the price of this reasonably priced pop-up camper, but the low cost does not imply sacrificing luxuries. It features a tiny fridge, a 3-burner cooktop, and a sink. Pioneer Onyx. With its tough build, the Pioneer Onyx camper trailer is ideal for intense off-road excursions. After your outdoor adventure, you may unwind in the huge queen-size bed of this camper, which features a roomy roof and floor plan. A spacious 650mm fridge and a stainless steel swing-away kitchen with a 2-burner stove and separate slide-out drawers are among the basic features of this camper. A 12-volt electric water pump with plenty of water storage is included with the Onyx camper trailer. With an integrated battery management system, hot showers are feasible. The winch-assisted opening and shutting makes setup simple. The tent features a double-door entry so you can step outside and take in the scenery. Aler Expedition. The Aler Expedition can be purchased for approximately $35,000, though the exact price may vary based on the features included. It can be equipped with a permanent mattress or a sofa bed, depending on your preference. If you have guests staying over, the dinette can be converted into a sleeping area. This large pop-up camper is ideal for those who enjoy having extra space, measuring up to 18 feet in length and weighing 3,500 pounds, so it will likely require a truck or SUV to tow. When it unfolds, everything you need is inside. There is a stove, microwave, and sink in the kitchen. It really does have everything you need, even a toilet. Samson Sport Go. Traveling, hauling supplies, or using as a utility trailer are all possible with the Samson Sport Go, an all-in-one camper. This camper's multipurpose feature has won it the title of Coolest Camper Ever from National Geographic. The quantity of entertaining extras you may bring along is typically restricted when towing a travel trailer. Nonetheless, the Samson Sport Go may be redesigned to accommodate dirt bikes, bicycles, and kayaks. This lightweight choice can be towed by nearly anything on wheels, and it can hold up to 800 pounds of gear. With its premium materials and lightweight construction, this camper needs very little upkeep. Almost any vehicle or truck may be easily towed because of the low-profile feature. The compact pop-up camper has a huge awning and a frame resembling a tent. It has a standing height of more than 6 feet and can accommodate up to 4 individuals. The raised waterproof tent that comes with the Samson Sport Go is roomy, cozy, and designed to accommodate several configurations for sleeping and dining. The Samson Sport Go could be the ideal camper for you if you enjoy the great outdoors. You'll have to pay roughly $15,000. Sports Enthusiast 23 SCSE. The Sports Enthusiast 23 SCSE is an alternative option for people who like to transport their outdoor toys but require more space than the Samson Sport trailer. It sleeps up to 6 people and features a large cargo deck that lets you haul goods like bikes. All the needs are provided by a kitchen, an indoor shower, and a toilet. The features don't end there. There are 2 beds, a king and a queen with heated mattresses on one side. It also features heating, air conditioning, and a ventilation fan. Typically, this opulent and roomy tent costs about $30,000. The sturdy handling and high quality of this travel trailer will not let you down. Rockwood Freedom 1640 Ltd. Take your family on an adventure above ground in this Rockwood Freedom series folding pop-up camper by Forest River. Cooking dinner is made easy with the indoor kitchen, as well as the carry-out range. You can enjoy your meals either at the 36 by 64-inch dinette, which can also be transformed into a sleeping space, or you can pull up a chair underneath the 7 awning. At night, you can choose to enjoy a good night's rest on either the front 54 by 78-inch bed or the rear 42 by 78-inch bed. This model has been dubbed the greatest little tent trailer for camping by numerous reviews. The fiberglass top and soft, waterproof sidewalls, dry weight of 1,465 pounds are some of the features of the Freedom 1640 Ltd. Typically, one of these campers comes in under $15,000, but you will undoubtedly get value for your money. JSport Camping Trailer. When embarking on a journey, the JSport Camping Trailer is equipped with home comforts to provide a sense of familiarity. This camper has a completely remodeled interior with a bedroom with privacy curtains and plush, reversible dinette cushions. For added convenience, the sleeping room has a fan and a bunk light. The camper has 4 distinct floor plans to choose from. Stainless steel indoor/outdoor stove with wind deflectors, residential-style cabinetry with doors and drawers, and a porta-potty storage cabinet are among the standard interior amenities. Additionally, there are a ton of optional features available. The camper base architecture features a sturdy foundation with a lifter system and leveling tongue jack that are simple to operate. The price starts at around $15,000. Quicksilver Tent Camper. You may be sure that the Quicksilver Tent Camper will make you feel at home in the great outdoors. It has a well-appointed kitchen with a sink and LP stove. With 2 fold-out beds for a nice night's sleep, the camper can accommodate up to 6 people. Every bunk has outlets for charging electronics and a 12-volt lamp and fan. Because the Quicksilver contains a water tank and a water pump, you can conveniently transport big volumes of water. Additionally, it has thermoform storage spaces under the seat to hold all of your equipment. The camper frame is made entirely of tubular aluminum, which makes it durable and easy to tow. It is also small and sturdy. Turtleback Adventure Trail Pop-Up. If you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for challenging experiences, the Turtleback Adventure Trail Pop-Up is the ideal choice. Up to 200 square feet of living space and a 4-inch high-density foam mattress on the bed provide more comfort than a pop-up camper. This pop-up tent trailer is partially grounded and includes a canopy or solarium option for more space if desired, making it ideal for traditional tent campers. For your cooking needs, this low-profile trailer has a 2-burner stainless steel stove with a 20-liter propane tank. For your convenience, it also has a 21-gallon BPA-free water tank with a 12-volt water pump that runs on demand. It has a starting price of about $27,000. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch the next similar video on your screen. We're sure you'll love it too.